Hi guys, this is the Smart Invest. In this video, we will take a closer look at the ARM company. It's a recent IPO in the market, and we'll explore what they do exactly and what their valuation might look like from the perspective of a small investor. Important note: this video does not provide financial advice. If you are interested in the company and want to learn more before succumbing to FOMO and risking half of your savings, then stay with me for the next few minutes. First of all, what can we know about the company? ARM, Advanced Risk Machines, is a British-based company that specializes in the design and licensing of processors and chipsets used in computers and smart devices. Foundation and history: ARM was originally founded in 1990 and has since become a prominent figure in the computer industry. ARM processors have become widely adopted and have served as the basis for renowned companies like Apple, Samsung, and others. Business model: ARM's primary business model revolves around designing processors and chipsets and then licensing them to other companies. As a result, ARM chips can be found in nearly every smart device, including smartphones, tablets, and the control systems used in automobiles. Essentially, ARM's business model revolves around creating technology that generates revenue through licensing. Their product is highly versatile, and they currently hold a strong market share in most segments. Their strategy: maintain or gain share in long-term growth markets. From mobile phones to networking infrastructure and servers to embedded smart devices and automotive. Increase value of ARM technology per smart device. Invest in developing more advanced processors with higher royalty rates. Physical IP and multimedia IP further increase ARM's value per chip. Explore and exploit new opportunities in emerging applications created by the Internet of Things. Invest to create a sustainable business, fit for the long term. Create superior returns by developing new technology that will deliver increased profits and cash generation in the future. It's evident that by utilizing their licenses, the company is rapidly producing more chips. They anticipate significant growth in their main markets by 2028. Innovation and wide-ranging applications: ARM has a significant history of innovation and continually enhances its chip designs. These chips are known for their energy efficiency and effectiveness, making them highly popular across various industries. The company reinvests its generated money in various sectors, diversifying its income. Additionally, they are striving for scalability, which could provide a significant competitive advantage in the future. In this phase, they are pouring more money into research and development, expecting even more substantial future revenues. Future prospects: ARM is actively working to maintain its leading position in the fields of information technology and smart devices. They are also expanding their role in the Internet of Things (IoT) sector, which offers further growth opportunities in the coming years. ARM is a key player in the world of information technology, and the chipsets they design contribute to the advancement of smart devices and technologies. As usual, a very positive future outlook is painted here. But what do the numbers show? Let's take a closer look at the available fundamentals of the company. But first, if you find this video helpful and educational, please hit the like button to support my work, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can access even more valuable content in the future. ARM's market value is currently $58.5 billion, and they had $2.7 billion in revenue in the past 12 months, resulting in $524 million in net income, which represents roughly a 20% profit margin. So, it doesn't seem incredibly profitable at this point. As we can see, the P/E ratio of 118 is quite high at this value, and there is no available forward P/E data due to a lack of analysis. Behind the $58 billion market valuation, there is currently a strong $4 billion shareholder value, indicating around a 15x P/B ratio. The company's free cash flow in 2022 was $675 million. ARM's various valuation metrics are at relatively high levels, which could be signs of overvaluation. ARM is a recent IPO in the market, so it will take time to find its fair value, and it's not advisable to make any hasty decisions. Make your own research before your actions. The company still has to face several obstacles in the future. Competition. ARM has to contend with strong competitors in the industry. Other processor and chip design companies, such as Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm, are also competing for market share. Technological changes. Technology trends in the IT and electronics industries change rapidly. ARM needs to continuously keep up with these changes and quickly adapt to new developments. Licensing models. ARM's primary business model is licensing, and accordingly, the company's revenue model is closely tied to its business partners. Changes or issues with business partners can have a significant impact on ARM's revenue. Regulation and legal issues. ARM faces various legal and regulatory challenges, especially due to its global operations. Patent disputes and other legal issues can also affect its business operations. Economic outlook. ARM's business heavily depends on the economic situation in the IT and electronics industries. Recessions or economic difficulties in specific sectors can negatively impact ARM's revenue. Research and development costs. ARM needs to continually invest in research and development to remain competitive. High R&D costs can put pressure on the company's profitability. Changing market segments. ARM's activities cover various market segments, including smartphones, IoT devices, and servers. Changes or declining demand in these market segments can affect the company's performance. It's important to note that ARM is already part of the NVIDIA Group through a 2021 acquisition, so the company's future and prospects are closely linked to the group's other activities and strategies. Thank you for watching the video, and if you found it useful and want to support my work, please hit the like button. Subscribe and click the bell icon to receive similar informative content in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next episode.